Hi, it's Lauren from Fine & Country in South Molton and welcome to Priest Cottage. This beautiful Grade 2 listed Devon longhouse has many original features and benefits from 5 bedrooms, 3 reception rooms, a beautiful kitchen diner and so much more. So come on inside and have a look. Now you've had a look inside, I am outside in the beautiful rear garden, and this property has just as much to offer outside as it does in. It sits in approximately 3 acres of grounds with established gardens, a paddock, an orchard and wildlife in abundance. And multiple outbuildings, this beautiful home is positioned just a short distance from the popular North Devon village of Meshore. So if you'd like to come and have a look, please do give us a call on 01769 573 181. We would love to show you around.